Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get store ID here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so once you are logged into your account, to find your BigCommerce store ID is very simple. All right. Now, you can find it here on the main dashboard, even if you hover to the left side. Even if you go to the settings, you won't find any like store profile. That's going to be the basic information about your business. But I'm telling you that you can find the store ID here. Right? You see, there's nothing right here. Even if you go to your account settings, account overview, you can't find the store ID here. You see that? But instead, what I'm going to do is hover again to your store details. Now, this is where you can find your BigCommerce store ID. This is going to be the permanent address, right? I'm going to make it, zoom it in right here. This is the store permanent address, right? Now, I would highlight the text after the dash, store dash, and all the characters that you can see it is going to be your BigCommerce store ID, which is in my case, that's going to be TA589JUD6J, all right? And of course, the domain name, which is mybigcommerce.com. So if you hover now to your own BigCommerce store and you find this HTTPS store dash, and you find this series of these numbers or characters, that's going to be your big store ID. I'm going to exit the full screen so you guys can see it right here. I'm going back again to my I'm gonna click on this one right here. You see, this is gonna be the BigCommerce store ID. Now, if you're working with a developer to create custom functionality or modify your store's theme, you may need the store ID right here to configure specific integrations or settings, especially for custom scripts or API calls. All right, the BigCommerce store ID, like this one, plays an essential role in various aspects of store management, integration, and development. It's very important when connecting external services or working with customer configurations. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.